Hi. In this video, we would like to cover some important aspects within cryogenic preservation. We will look at concerns such as sample security and sample longevity. With this in mind, we will introduce you to the latest technology solutions that are available, including semi and full automation systems. So let's start. To help you understand which sample storage vessel is correct for your application, you can ask yourself several questions. How is your product stored? In cryovials, bags, straws, or other containers? Do you want your vessel to store different containers? Different storage vessels are designed to hold specific containers, although some will hold both cryovials and straws together. What volume of samples do you want to store? More importantly, how many do you think you will need to store in 2 years' time? Samples are placed in cryogenic vessels for long-term storage. It is therefore advisable to have a good feel of the number of samples being stored and how many will be retrieved in the short term. It is more economical to use a larger storage container than several small ones, and certainly better operationally. Do you require your samples to be held in vapor conditions, or are you happy for them to reside within the liquid phase of your vessel? This is an important question and needs to be identified, especially when you are looking for large volume storage. Any cryogenic vessel can be adapted to vapor storage, but that comes with restrictions and risks. So, if you feel the future will be vapor, then the relevant model should be purchased, even if liquid phase is used initially. Do you require your vessels to have a level alarm? Cryogenically stored samples are valuable either in monetary terms or for their research value. Cryogenic vessels can sometimes be forgotten because they may not be accessed daily. The integrity of your samples is managed by the liquid level within the vessel. Simply adding a low liquid level alarm can ensure that your samples are not in danger of increasing in temperature. And here are a few more questions to consider. Do you want the vessel to automatically fill the liquid level at set points? Do you have the infrastructure to ensure your storage vessels are topped up on a regular basis? Do you share liquid nitrogen with other departments? Is there a risk that the liquid nitrogen will not be there when you need it? By connecting your freezer to either a local or bulk tank supply reservoir, you can enjoy your vessels being filled automatically, avoiding risks to your samples. If storing in vapor, do you require a temperature monitoring and alarm system? One key aspect of any alarm system fitted to your cryogenic storage is the confidence that they will alert correctly when needed. Whether you have a liquid level or temperature alarm, or indeed both, regular checks should be made that ensures the system is working correctly. You also need to establish awareness that personnel know how to react to an alarm and who to notify. Are you sharing your storage vessels with colleagues or different departments? We will discuss our new technology shortly, which will help protect samples from erroneous retrieval. Let's look at solutions to these issues now. Let us look at the options available for cryovials and straws. For capacities of up to 6,000 cryovials or 11,500.5 milliliter straws, an aluminium-style vessel will provide the capacity needed. These vessels come in 3 product ranges, as shown here: the XT range, the HC range, the LS range. The XT range ensures that the samples are kept safe and secure for a longer time without worrying about liquid nitrogen evaporation. Securely suspending samples from the neck of the vessel ensures their safety and security, particularly important for sensitive samples that require special handling and care. The low-level alarm provides peace of mind to customers that their samples are being monitored and kept safe at all times. As the vessel can be placed on a roller base, it is easy for customers to transport the vessel without damaging the samples or the vessel itself. The ability to store and manage samples effectively can save precious research time and resources. This is where the HC range of storage vessels comes in. Cryovials and straws can be held in the same vessel, and with a numbered index ring, finding and identifying specific samples has never been easier. The range of sizes provides customers with a number of options to choose from, making it easier to find the right size for their specific needs. As with the XT range, there are accessories such as low-level alarms and roller bases available. The HC range provides large capacity, flexibility, and the peace of mind. With the ability to store and manage samples effectively, researchers can accelerate their work and focus on advancing scientific discoveries. Then there is the LS range, again giving a range of capacities to meet individual needs, but also bringing the added benefits of automatic filling of the liquid nitrogen via a controller with temperature, liquid level monitoring and alarm features. This range can be used for liquid and vapor phase. If you need a higher capacity, we have solutions that can help. Do you need a larger storage capacity? There are 3 different storage vessel ranges which will provide this for you. Let's now look at the first 2. The K series and the Labs series. These have been established cryogenic storage vessels for some time. Traditionally, all large cryogenic storage containers were liquid phase storage, until the needs of the users changed, leading the repository market more towards vapor phase storage. This was to address contamination risks, either from sample to sample within a vessel, or from the liquid nitrogen to a sample. Looking to prepare your lab for increased automation? The Revolution series range of cryo-storage freezers are the latest in technology design, incorporating the ability to automate sample retrieval and manage samples locally via cloud-based software. The security of your samples is enhanced. Not only can the controller locate and present your sample, the management system can restrict access to areas and samples to authorized users only. As explained earlier, this is extremely beneficial if the vessels are shared between departments or users. Benefiting from extensive experience in vacuum technology by the developers, the Revolution range features extremely low LN2 consumption, complemented with a PLC-based touchscreen controller, allowing modules to be added to suit customer requirements. The Revolution features a new manifold design for leak-free usage. In addition, dual liquid level measurement means that your samples are protected from over, as well as non-filling of liquid nitrogen. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. If you would like to discuss any of the points raised here, or would like further information on any of our cryopreservation products, our experts will be more than happy to help. Just visit the website at cryopreservation.co.uk.